Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cointracking Crypto Portfolio Tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Cointracking is a comprehensive cryptocurrency portfolio management and tax reporting app designed to help traders monitor their holdings across multiple exchanges in one place. It supports automatic API imports, manual entries, and CSV uploads from hundreds of major exchanges, allowing users to track real-time balances, gains, losses, and historical performance with ease. The app is available on both iOS and Android, and it integrates with major crypto platforms for seamless portfolio syncing. The app's main feature is its detailed portfolio dashboard, which displays coin histories, market values, profit/loss charts, and customizable analytics. Users can also generate tax reports based on various accounting methods, including FIFO, LIFO, and HIFO, which is a major advantage for active traders needing accurate tax documentation. Additionally, Cointracking offers alerts, trade analysis tools, and performance insights for long-term tracking. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the wide exchange support, reliable syncing, and extensive reporting features. The tax tools are particularly praised by investors who need clear and compliant documentation. Users also note that Cointracking's analytics help them understand trade patterns, long-term gains, and overall portfolio health more effectively. However, there are some drawbacks. The interface can feel overwhelming for beginners, given the amount of data displayed. Some users report occasional syncing delays depending on the exchange. Full access to tax reports and advanced features requires a paid subscription, which may not suit casual traders. The complexity of data imports can also pose a learning curve for users unfamiliar with crypto accounting. In summary, the Cointracking app may be worth using if you need a powerful, detailed portfolio tracker with strong tax reporting capabilities. However, if you are a beginner, prefer a simpler interface, or do not require advanced tax tools, it might feel more complex than necessary. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.